Hi, welcome again to my channel where I will share my favorite oils. Hi, I am Chello and I am doing mental health videos. You can email me anything at mydearchello@gmail.com, which I will indicate in the description box below. And also, follow me on my new podcast, Munting Kwento. I've always believed in the magic healing of oils, been raised to hilot an aroma of efficacent oil, and patronizing our very own Filipino product, human nature. But COVID came, and to protect myself from it, I tried young living. These oils mean really going back to nature. I still believe in medicines, but these oils are simply amazing. These oils help me on my daily struggles, such as anxiety and other emotions. I love lavender because it helps me calm down, especially during the night. It helps me during my sleep, so I mix it with cedarwood and put it inside a roller. Now, lavender of Young Living consists of lavender oil as listed in this bottle. Lemon and thieves is one of my most favorite scents, and this combination is also known as immune booster. Now, lemon is consists of citrus lemon as indicated on its bottle, while thieves is consists of clove, citrus lemon, bark oil, eucalyptus radiata leaf oil, rosemary leaf oil. Now, Progessence also helps me on my hormones, especially on my monthly period. Now, this bottle also consists of balsam, copaiba, boswellia carteri oil, capric triglyceride, Cedrus atlantica bark oil, bergamot, peppermint, tocopherol, Vitex agnus castus leaf oil, wild yam root extracts, and clove bud oil. Valor is one of the emotions oil, and I love its strong scent, and I mixed it with lavender. Now, this bottle contains capric triglyceride, Pisciana mariana leaf oil, cinnamon capora or campor, Tanacium annum flower oil, boswellia carteri oil, and pelargonium gravenum flower oil. Now, Inner Child is also an emotions oil, and I love to diffuse this during the day. Now, this contains orange, tangerine, Canyaga odorata flower oil, Santallium paniculum wood oil, jasmine, and Cymbopogon plicosus leaf oil. Why I like this product is because the extraction process of the oil comes from the plants, unlike the synthetic. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Take care always because you matter.